Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Grow Stuff. My name is Quantice and this is my new friend Josh. And today he's going to show us how to preserve flowers with an interesting method that I'm sure you've never heard of before. You ready? Let's preserve stuff. So Josh, tell us what we have going on here.
So you might have heard of a lot of different ways to preserve flowers, but we're going to use a method that uses this silica gel. And it's kind of similar to sand. Silica is like sand, and it takes the moisture out.
Okay, so I want to preserve this flower. How should I go about doing this? Just give me the step-by-step.
So it's really easy. What we can do is we can pour some in the bottom. We want to make sure that every surface of the flower is touched by the silica.
Oh.
And we can just take the top right here, snip it right off. And then we can place this guy right in here. So this beautiful flower here, we see the silica on the bottom, right? And we can just fill on top, right until it's covered.
How do we know when the flowers are done preserving?
It's usually only 1 to 3 days, and if you dry them too long, they actually can get quite brittle and they will break if you try to pull them up. And this is one we have from last year.
Oh, wow. Can I pick it up?
Yep, absolutely. So it's just like sand, right?
Yeah.
You're shaking it right off.
I see what you mean about it keeping the structure intact. Like, this is beautiful. And it would be really hard to do something like this if we were to like press it. It wouldn't really keep
You wouldn't get that 3D structure of all
Yeah.
the blooms and the blossoms. And this is from last summer, so it's over a year old. Why don't we have you give it a try?
Okay.
You can see how easy it is too.
I'm gonna do this one,
Those are
this
beautiful.
one, and this one. I take the scissors
Yep.
and I cut
You want to get close to the bottom of the flower.
like that.
Yep.
So now, is there a certain way I have to face these?
I usually like them to do face up just because I like the way that looks, but
Yeah.
either way should be fine. And it also depends on the petals too. Take this gel, here you go.
Okay, and then just sprinkle on the top.
Sprinkle on the top. And then you just want to get as much covered as possible. And a little bit poking on is fine too.
Okay, so this is good.
Yeah, couple days, they'll be good to go.
Yay! Who would have thought being neighbors in the garden would lead us to this awesome opportunity to learn how to preserve flowers in a really cool way?
Yeah, I'm super happy that I was able to share that with you and with your viewers.
Well, thank you so much, Josh, and see you tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll see you in the garden.
Funding for Let's Grow Stuff is provided by the Focus Fund for Wisconsin Programs and Friends of PBS Wisconsin.